Greetings. Let us learn about the use of a rapid exchange spinchtotrome. Here is a rapid exchange spinchtotrome, and let us learn the structure of this instrument. You have the sphincter cutting wire, and that is powered by the electrosurgical unit connection. And you have a wire port, an injection port, and there are color indicators at the distal end of the spinchtotrome that indicate the depth of insertion of the instrument: 5 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 15 centimeters. In addition, there is a memory wire, and let us learn a little more about this memory wire. The memory wire maintains the curved design of the spinchtotrome, and that is really very important. And it also protects the tip of the spinchtotrome. So the first step is we want to remove the memory wire when we prepare the spinchtotrome. We do that by short 1 to 2 centimeter strokes, slowly, while maintaining the integrity of the curve. So here is the spinchtotrome with the memory wire, and then after the memory wire is out. And by slow strokes, short strokes, maintaining the integrity, you preserve the curvature. That is really important for successful cannulation. This spinchtotrome is guide wire loaded, and you could strip the guide wire by pulling it out from here, and that allows the guide wire to be stripped. When you have this wire stripped all the way for several centimeters down, it allows for rapid exchange and a very short exchange. You don't have to exchange the whole guide wire, only a short distance, maybe about 15 centimeters of the spinchtotrome. And it's also, when you're using the spinchtotrome, you want to avoid premature stripping of the guide wire. And what is it that you need to do when you're handling this device? How do you handle the device? You have the handle, you have your one hand, thumb, ring finger, thumb, forefinger and middle finger holding the handle, and the other hand should be on the guide wire insertion port, occluding it. That way the wire doesn't come out until you want it to be stripped out. So once the spinchtotrome is inserted into the scope and you've done the cannulation and you want to secure the wire and lock it, so what you do is next is you strip the wire for rapid exchange, and once the wire is stripped, you lock it using the locking device. And once the wire is locked, you're secure. You can do whatever you want with the spinchtotrome. And once the procedure is done and you want to remove the wire, remove the spinchtotrome, you unlock the wire. And how do you exchange? It is not a long exchange, it's a very short exchange. And the exchange process consists of these following steps. You pinch the wire with your right hand and you pull the catheter with your left hand. You pinch the wire with the right hand and you pull the catheter with the left hand. And once the spinchtotrome is out, you lock the wire and then hold the wire here. And then once you hold the wire, You're basically securing the wire not only at the locking device, but also in your left hand, and then you can pull the sphincterotome out quickly. So we've learned about how to use a rapid exchange system for a sphincterotome. I hope this is useful. Thank you.